Hello world, welcome to my channel. This short video is on Bowling Green National Park in a small community called Alligator Creek, which is about 20 minutes south of Townsville. National Park, no pets allowed, and there's barbecues, facilities and several things there. Okay, well I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Cheers. This is the sign when you get here. Alligator Creek camping area, Cape Bowling Green Bay National Park. It's divided up into picnic areas and camping areas. E-permits, everything here. That's the sign of the allotted camping zones. Camping conditions, and that is the obtained park camping information there. Toilet facilities, public showers. some tables. This is the picnic and parking area, no camping zone. Very popular down here because it's only about 20 minutes roughly from my place and Townsville city. Pets aren't allowed, of course, because it's a national park. Scrub turkeys are running around here. Bush turkeys. Hello, bush turkeys. Hello. Hello. Yeah, bush turkey. Everywhere you go. Basic facilities under if it rains, couple of tables, covered areas scattered around. There are barbecue facilities scattered around, free, gas operated. Most people probably would not cook, either cook on their own. Flowing down there. Places to swim right along the river. Welcome to Alligator Creek. 1,210 metres. Mount Elliot is one of the highest peaks in Queensland. Its carved gorges and valleys and varying rainfall created a diverse landscape rich in animal and plant life. One of the covered shelters that are around. There are several of them. Plenty of information. Sign there. There's lookouts, there's plenty of walks. The creeks. Just coming down here, it looks like they have wheelchair access as well as steps, so which is very good. Everybody can visit this place and enjoy the facilities. It's only the start of the wet season, so there's not a lot of water in the creek at the moment. A shady retreat for the animals. about the turtles and the water. Tree ferns everywhere. This is one of the closest swimming holes, but yeah, so it is very dry at the moment, not much water flowing down. Where I'm standing was normally underwater. The water's back up around that tree line just there. But there are a few people swimming. There is a waterfall up further. My kids went up there when they were small, but I don't encourage it unless they're supervised with adults. And he was fairly a teenager then, fairly responsible. You can go way up to the top of the lookouts up there. But yeah, it is another month or so this should be full of water. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you do, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Cheers.